Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to add text behind a video in CapCut like this. So the bird is going to be my main focus here that I want to be on top of the text. So to do this, I'm just going to delete everything I've done here. You need to start by adding your main track to the video. So click here, and now it's in the main track timeline. Next step is to go to text and add your text. I'm going to drag it down here to the timeline and drop it, adjust it so it's the same length as the video. Here, go and write the text. I'm going to write exotic birds, as you just saw, exotic birds, like this. Adjust the text to your liking. I want it to be large and noticeable, so I'm just going to keep it this size. Now go back to import in the top left corner and go down to the same video again and add it as a layer by dragging it on top of the text here. So you want the main video, then the text to be here, and then the duplicate of the video on top. Next step is to click on the video and then go to video and then go to remove BG or remove background. Click, and now you can click on the auto removal tab here. I've already done this with this video just to test out the feature, but it'll just take a minute. It's going to say the processing over here until it's reached 100%. From here, you can see now when I play the video, I'm just going to mute it. When I play the video, we have successfully made the text appear behind the bird. And that's how you can make text appear behind objects in CapCut.